Okay, so we got a little bit of subscriber mail here, and we're gonna open it up on camera. And this is for special little girl. And Suzu, let's see which one she takes. Suzu, special shout out and thank you to Sheila West, who sent this. She loves Suzu, and we'll see which one Suzu grabs. Pink one. She's like, thank you so much, Sheila. Susie, you don't want the blue one? The blue one's soft too. Thank you so much for this kind gift. It's much appreciated. Hey, I think it's a hit, Sheila. Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, I actually went out this afternoon, and today is Wednesday, March the 27th, and I found the mother load of clearance cleaning merch over at Meijer, and there is a lot of stuff that we're going to talk about. All this stuff is 90% off, so we're going to talk about what I did specifically, and I just got some amazing finds, and like for dirt cheap. So if you can get out to Meijer tonight or first thing tomorrow morning, I would absolutely do that, because I have the sneakiest suspicion that like this is not going to last very long. And what usually happens with this sort of thing is that an average shopper will go and see some of these price points, you know, like 49 cents or less, and then they'll just go and buy like everything. And there wasn't a whole lot left. I think everything started getting cleared on Monday. I started seeing a couple photos here and there on Instagram, and I was really shocked that my little store like had so much stuff on clearance. So let's just start talking straight away about some of this stuff. A lot of it is scent beads. We have some powder detergent and some other goodies with the buy 5 save 5. Meijer is in the Midwest only. There is no sister store. So if you're wondering if this might be happening, like, you know, at a Kroger or something like that, the answer to that is no. It's Meijer only. So I'm just so happy with some of these finds, and we're just going to discuss what I bought and the price points and so on and so forth, and just to give you an idea of what you should be looking for. And I would buy this stuff at the price point of what it is now. Don't wait for the weekend, because I'm very sure that people are going to clear stuff, and even people were clearing stuff that was, you know, I was like, well, you know, just looking for stuff, and I just found only tags left. But yeah, this impressive haul was, I think, like $6.81, not a single coupon used, and it is the cat's pajamas. We could put pajamas on that girl. So the first item we're talking about is the Downy Sport. So it is a scent infused bead. You put this in with your wash. It is the 6.5 ounces. So they're, you know, not a teeny tiny size, but a good size of that product. It has this green cap too. And here is the UPC if you wish to look at your store for some, because some of this stuff also might not be tagged, or it possibly could go on clearance later in the week, and they were 49 cents each, and I grabbed all 7 that were there. I have a family member that's going to love it, and it's just an absolute fantastic thing to throw into the wash. I also have a friend that really swears by this. And of the P&G line, because this is part of Tide and all that stuff, whenever it says sport on it, it's always more expensive. I don't know why, but this guy was originally $4.99 down to 49 cents. I mean, that is a little something called winning. So I just grabbed all of them. I didn't even have a single coupon, like a load coupon or a paper coupon, but I'm like, 49 cents, they're coming home with me. These were also on clearance. It is the Gain Fireworks Original, 7.2 ounces. Larger one for 49 cents too, and somebody had cleared all of them. Man, so sad. Now these Downy infusions, kind of like an elegant packaging on this. I think the packaging is top notch on this product. Again, another green one, and they were also on clearance. My mother-in-law will be so happy, and I'm going to save both of those for her because she really likes anything like with that flower fragrance. And these guys were on clearance for 44 cents each. They originally $4.49, and 6.5 ounces as well, but they are not the sport one, so that's why they are a little less, just to note that. But yeah, just what a terrific find, and I was so excited by that. And then I also found 2 boxes of the Gain powder detergent, and they were on clearance for 59 cents. The original price is $5.99. I'm going to show you guys the UPC if you want to check at your store. Boom, there it is. So you might want to get a screenshot of that. And it says there's $7 of coupons in this box, but I'm not going to open the box to get the coupons because I'm going to give this to a family member who really enjoys the powdered detergent. Look at the mess it's already making on the table too. And just to show you guys, because I did forget on the Downy infusions, I'm going to show you the UPC here really quickly. Boom, there it is. So you might want to get a screenshot of that. And this is a really nice one too. I have tried it before in the past. And I also found one of these Oxy dolls. I believe this guy was 39 cents. It was really cheap, and there was only one in my store. And this is 6.25 pounds. That is massive. This box was leaking a little bit. Maybe that's why they're getting rid of it, but here's the UPC. And sometimes when they do these sort of clearance events, it's usually because they're not going to carry it in the store anymore, or possibly the packaging has changed from the manufacturer. That's why they're letting it go for, you know, 90% off, which is absolutely crazy. And this stuff actually smelled really nice too, but I don't really ever use powdered detergent. But very happy with all of this. And I was saying, if you wanted to make your own detergent with some borax and some of these little crystals and then the powdered detergent, you could probably make detergent for like maybe 2 or 3 years with all this. Like, you know, use some of this stuff quite sparingly. But if you've ever watched those YouTube videos of people making like Pioneer Women detergent, like this is the stuff to make it. I'm not making it myself because I'm not interested in making my own detergent. But yeah, I would be set for that. And another little goodie that I found was only one of these Gain Original Scent dryer sheets. This is the package of 60 sheets, and it was 29 cents. What? 29 cents. I just grabbed one. That was all that was left in the display. Somebody had went really hard on it, and I'm happy that they left me at least one. And this is all of my goodies. I mean, I'm just really happy about that, and I think it's just great. And to get all this stuff for like $6.81 is just absolutely fantastic, and I could not be happier with this haul. And there's what I paid, $6.81. I had a couple bottle deposits, so basically what I did was I used that money to pay for this. But well worth it. And I just love buying anything like laundry or paper. Those are my two things that I love to coupon for. And when this stuff is 90% off, I'll just take it all because I want it all. So yeah, very happy with my haul. And yeah, to pay like under $7 for all this goodness, winning. And I do have a couple family members that will be extremely, extremely happy with all of this stuff, especially those Downy scent beads and the Downy Sport. So just a fantastic, fantastic haul. I'm so happy. Okay, guys, so the next thing we're going to talk about at good old Meijer is the Buy 5, Save 5. This shows up every other week, and it's just basically, you know, just big savings when you buy items in increments of 5. And yes, you can mix and match. And I did have some load coupons and some paper coupons to use for a couple deals. I did this over 2 days. I went on Tuesday and Wednesday to Meijer. So the first thing I grabbed was one of these Viva paper towels. And special shout out and thank you to Sarah here on Instagram and on YouTube as well. I believe she has a channel, and she's just a fantastic lady, and this was her deal because she actually posted something on her Instagram, and her name is Shop with Sarah. So there was a load $3.50 MPerk with the Viva, and with the Colgate, these guys were $2.99, and I had a $2 manufacturer from last week's insert. I still had a couple of those. And then the Jif was $1.99, and I had a Peely that was $1 off too that I had found, I think, last winter at Walmart. So let's look at the breakdown shakedown. We have 2 of the Colgates at $2.99, so I got 2 of those. And then I got 1 of the Viva paper towel for $6.82. And then 2 of the peanut butters at $1.99. That is a subtotal of $16.78. We have the Buy 5, Save 5. $5 comes off automatically. And then the $3.50 MPerk, it is no longer available too. And then I used two $2 coupons from the Smart Source of March the 17th for the Colgate, and the $1 off to Jif Peely. So that brought my subtotal down to $3.28, which is fantastic. And it basically shakes each item down to 65 cents each. And then I was very lucky that I submitted this receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got an extra 1,000 points, which is $1. So it actually makes it a little cheaper if you consider the Fetch Rewards points, but very happy to get this Viva paper towel. And then today's little haul kind of mixed it up a little bit. I got 2 of these blackberry bubblies. It's like a sparkling water that my husband really likes. The second one's actually in the fridge because the box actually ripped in half, believe it or not. I was trying to bring it in from outside to inside, and I guess the box had been tossed around quite a bit. It was in bad shape. So 2 of those, and then one of them's in my fridge. And then I got 2 things of the Jif, and then 1 thing of the soft soap, hand soap. So a great little haul of stuff. And again, my husband drinks a lot of that sparkling water, so if I can get it with part of a buy 5 save 5, I'm definitely going to stock up. And then he also really likes this Jif peanut butter. So let's look at the math of what I did. That hand soap was $1.89. 2 of those peanut butters is $1.99 a piece, and then 2 of those bubblies are $4.49 a piece times 2. That's a subtotal of $14.85. We have the buy 5 save 5 that came off, $1 off 2 peely for the bubbly, $1 off 2 peely for the Jif, and then 1 lonely 75-center from coupons.com for the soft soap that I utilized. I believe that IP is still available on coupons.com. Drops the total down to $7.10, and basically each item is $1.42, which is kind of pricey if you think about it. Like, hang on to your wallet for that one. But I'm very happy to pay $1.42 for a 12-pack of these sparkling waters, because it is my husband's favorite. And if you think about it, this haul was more expensive than my laundry haul. And the last thing I want to show you guys before we leave Meijer is lots of the different KoolAid flavors are on clearance. They're usually 25 down to 18. What is it going to be in a week, 2 weeks? Probably like half of that, like 9 cents per sleeve. This one is the lemon lime, and the second one is the strawberry lemonade. So you might want to keep an eye on that, especially if you really love KoolAid. Okay guys, last thing we're talking about is Family Fare Grocer. It's here in Michigan, Nebraska, and North Dakota. You might want to look for Our Family or Spartan Nash if they sell it in your area. Who knows where this grocery store might be located in your neighborhood. Either they have a Wednesday or a Friday freebie, and this week it's a pack, a 13-ounce bag of these cookies. I only got 1. And I'm going to give this to my mother-in-law. She always has grandkids visiting, and I thought this would make a great little treat when she's entertaining people, or, you know, for the grandkids. So very happy about my haul today. Really happens once in a blue moon where you can find 90% off detergent items. So if you can get out to Meijer before the weekend, I absolutely pull the trigger, because these are some fantastic deals to be had. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.